it's Kayla, and today I'm going to be playing with some slime. I don't actually know if I'm going to be playing with slime. Maybe I'll just play Roblox. But we're going to look slime. In the next video, I'll do another Roblox video. Because I'm going to play Roll High, and that was fun. So let's play slime now. I got a new unicorn poo, but it's at my dad's house. So we're going to be playing with Wacky Blue Putty. And Crazy. Almost Blue. No, Crazy. Almost Blue Putty. It's heat sensitive. It's cold. So yeah. I wonder how you make putty. Like, I know how to make slime, but I don't know how to make putty. That's a new thing that we're gonna learn today, maybe. But this is it. I like to pop a little bubbles. Oh, let's take it. See, when you stretch this, it's like slime. It pops. Like slime sometimes doesn't do that when you stretch it, but putty does. It's like really stretchy. I'm gonna let you guys see it. Because it's not really good for a swirl. Like, this one's softer. This one's like, this one's like stretchier, and is it clicky? That's the real question. Is it clicky? So you guys can see it. Right, here it is. Let's see if it's clicky. It's not clicky, but we're gonna see the other one, and I'll tell you how this one's like quite hard, and that other one's like really soft. I'll show you. So like, here's this one. It's like really soft. Let's just get it open. It's harder to open than that one. Sometimes I can't get it open because I'm stupid. Sometimes. Only sometimes. I just can't get this open. 2 seconds. Open. Oh. Got it. And this is it. It's like an orange, but the warmth of your hands makes it turn yellow. So it goes from red to orange to yellow. It's really red right now, because the coldness makes it red, and heat of me makes it yellow. So you know how it's like red right now? That means it's cold. So maybe we're gonna go put it on heating. If they're on. Yeah, they're on. Okay, what about the moms? Because hers is better. So look. Here's the heater. Here's the red slime. Oh, look at that. It's yellow. Look at that bit right here. Look at that. That's really cool. Oh, and it's warm. Put your hand. And then you can just stretch the rest of it. You could just like knead the rest of it into the other bits that are red, or you can just roll it around on the heater like this. Sorry. Do you guys remember how it was all red? Do you guys remember how this was all red? Look at it now. I actually prefer yellow better than a red. But guys, we're doing an ASMR. Okay? I'm just kidding. So we got this now. So we're gonna go back to the slime station. This is Mom. She's just in the dark now. And yeah. So we're gonna put this back in its dry. And we're gonna be doing ASMR eating. Maybe we're gonna do some ASMR eating. Maybe. Probably do that in the next video. Oh, and I got this like little monster slime, and you can put like this is the slime and this is a little monster piece. This is what I'm cutting it. But I didn't have anywhere to put it. So we're gonna be getting this big baby slime. And now it's time for the best part. I'm like recreating Life with Brothers. Now it's time for the guys, this is what Life with Brothers does. If you don't watch them, they're super cool. What's the start to the video? Just type in Life with Brothers. Now, this is what they do. Now it's time for the best part. Whee. So now I've got the flat pancake slime. You guys can't see it. And I've added some glitter to this slime. Look how sticky it is. Like, I'm not even doing that. I'm gonna go, like, put some activator in this. Get my activator. Put it in the bowl so it doesn't get all messy. I'm mixing it all in. Mix and activate. So yeah, this is just the slime that I was talking about. The clicks. So guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed me playing with slime and showing you guys my putty. And if you haven't subscribed to Life of Brothers, link in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!